Solitaire Cash and Skillz both offer real money gaming, but they work very differently, so the better paying option depends on whether you want one specific game or access to a larger competitive gaming platform. By the end, you'll know how Solitaire Cash compares with Skillz on gameplay, cash competitions, rewards, and the practical differences that affect your potential payout. Solitaire Cash is focused on one core experience: competitive solitaire. You play timed or competitive solitaire games and can enter cash tournaments where available. The amount you can win depends on the specific tournament, entry requirements, competition, and your performance. Skillz is a broader platform that hosts multiple competitive mobile games. Instead of being one game, Skillz provides a tournament system used by different titles, including card, puzzle, sports, and arcade-style games. That gives Skillz one obvious advantage: variety. If you do not like Solitaire, you can choose another Skillz-powered game instead of being locked into one format. Solitaire Cash has the advantage if Solitaire is already the game you understand. You do not have to learn several different game types, and the entire experience is built around solitaire competitions. The bigger question is how the cash system works. Both platforms separate free gameplay from real money competitions, and cash tournaments can have eligibility restrictions depending on location and account status. You should always check the current rules inside the app before depositing money or entering a paid contest. Skillz also uses virtual currency and tournament-based competition, with prizes determined by the specific contest. That means there is no single universal Skillz payout that applies to every game. Solitaire Cash works the same way in one important respect: there is no fixed amount that every player earns. Your result depends on which contests you enter and how you perform. So which pays more? There is no reliable universal answer because neither platform guarantees a specific income. A player who consistently performs well in competitive solitaire could potentially earn more from Solitaire Cash than someone who performs poorly on Skillz. Another player could have the opposite experience. If you want a focused solitaire experience, Solitaire Cash is the simpler choice. If you want multiple competitive games under one platform, Skillz offers more variety. Before spending money, start with free gameplay, learn the scoring system, and check the current entry fees and prize amounts for the exact contests you plan to enter. The key difference is simple. Solitaire Cash specializes in competitive solitaire, while Skillz gives you access to a broader collection of competitive games. Neither guarantees higher earnings, so choose based on the game you can realistically perform well at. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Money App comparisons.